Hey guys, what is up? Today we'll show you how to download Pinterest videos without the watermark. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to download videos on Pinterest without the watermark? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, the first thing you need to do is go to the Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for Pinterest Video Downloader. Now, in the results, you're going to have a lot. So what you need to do is specifically download the one called Video Downloader for Pinterest by Digital Prisha. So download and install it. Once you're done, open the app. When a notification appears on your screen, tap on Allow. On the homepage of the app, you can either tap on Pinterest or paste the link of the specific Pinterest video. Now, go to Pinterest and choose a video you want to download. Click on More and scroll until you see the Pinterest Video Downloader. It will copy the link automatically, and all you need to do is tap on Download. And there you have it. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.